I'm going to go ahead and be pairing the Haven fob with the Haven Connect, following the instructions that you'll be receiving with your Haven Connect. So first I'm going to go ahead and hold down the lock button for 15 seconds. I'm going to wait until it starts to flash green. Hit the admin button, hit the lock button really quick, and they both are flashing white. The Haven lock is now connected.
Now that the Haven Connect has been paired with the fob, we'll go ahead and test it out and see how it goes. We're going to lock the Connect. Now it's locked, and we will now disengage the Connect. Good to go. So we're going to do a quick unpairing of the Haven key fob to the Haven Connect. All instructions are listed on the instruction card that you're going to get. So we're going to hold the lock button on the key fob for 15 seconds until it flashes red and blue. Once it does, we're going to release and hold the unlock button for 10 seconds. Hold the unlock button for 10 seconds until it's blinking white. Once it starts blinking white, we're going to release and hit lock. And now the key fob is unpaired with this lock.